Hello guys. Welcome to another video of HTML Camp. In this video we are going to create a website with beautiful animated text. If you want to know how this was made, make sure you stay till the end. Also, remember to subscribe if you are new and give this video a thumbs up. With this said, let's get started. Alright, so I have created an image folder and a HTML and CSS script. I will start by creating the basic HTML structures. Now, let's link our HTML and CSS script with the link tag. In the body tag, I'll create a div with the class of background and a navbar tag. Down in the navbar tag, create a div with the class of logo. I'll set the image to a logo in my images folder. Now, create an unordered list with the class of navlinks. Create a list item with an anchor tag in them. I will call the link home. Now, duplicate the list item a few more times and change the link text. I will create one call portfolio, services, and contact. Now, I'll preview my website with the VS Code Live Server extension. As you can see, our website has the logo and links in it. Now it's time to play with some CSS. I'll use the universal selector to remove the padding and margin on the website. I'll also set the box sizing to border box and the font family to Poppins. Now we will style the background with a width of 100% and a height of 100 VH. We will set the background image with a linear gradient and an image in my images folder. Set the background position to center and the background size to cover. Now, set the position to relative. Now, preview your website and view the changes. In the background class, create some padding for the left and right margins of your website. I'll set mine to 6%. Now, view the changes on your website. You can see the spaces in the left and right margins of the website. Now, it's time to style our navbar. Set the top and bottom padding to 20 pixels. Set the display to flex and the justify content to space between to align the navbar items horizontally. And now preview the changes to your website. Now, let's reduce the size of our logo, so, reference your IMG tag in your logo tag, and set the width to 190 pixels. Now, our logo is looking much better. Now, let's move to the navlinks. Reference the unordered list we created and set the display to flex and the list style to none. Now, move to the list item and set the left and right padding to 20 pixels. It's time to style the links. Set the color to white, the text decoration to none, and the text transform to uppercase. The only thing left is to vertically center our navlinks with our logo. To do that, head over to the navbar class and set align items to center. All good here, let's move over to the hero section. In the background tag, create a div with the class of hero, and another div with the class of container. Inside here, create AH3 tag and set the text to I'm. Create AH1 tag and place any name in there. I'm going to use Kayla Malik. Create AP tag and type any text in there. I'm gonna type, I'm a web developer teaching web development on YouTube. Create an anchor tag with the text download CV. Create another one with the text check me out. Now let's add an arrow pointing right beside the link. Head over to your browser and search for HTML arrow right code. Copy the code you see and paste it beside the link. Now, preview the changes. Let's add some CSS for the hero section. Set the width to 100%, the height to 70 VH, and align items to center. Also, set the color to white. Now, let's preview the changes. Okay. Let's head back. Reference the H1 tag in the hero section, and set the font size to 120 pixels and the color to white. Now, select the H3 tag and set the font size to 40 pixels, and the text transform to uppercase. Preview the changes now. Almost there. Let's style the P tag with a font size of 20 pixels, and a margin bottom of 30 pixels. Preview the changes again. Reference the anchor tag and set the font size to 20 pixels, the color to white, the text decoration to none, and the border to 1 pixel solid white. Set the padding to 10 pixels and 15 pixels, and the margin right to 10 pixels. Our website looks great. Now it's time to create the text animation with CSS. For this we will use an image. Let's head back to the H1 tag in our CSS script. Change the color to transparent. Set the WebKit text stroke to 1 pixel white. Now we see a white stroke around our text. Now, let's set the background to the stroke image in our images folder. Set the WebKit background clip to text. Preview the changes to the text. Go ahead and create some keyframes. I will call mine stroke animation. At the beginning of the animation, set the background position to 0, and at the end set it to 2000 pixels. Now, set the text animation to the keyframes we just created. Voila, we have successfully created a text animation with HTML and CSS. If this video was helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. Be sure to check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching.